Hey guys, it's Angry here and welcome to another Python lesson number 4. All previous lessons are already uploaded to YouTube, so you can watch them. And don't mind the numeration on the left hand side. The lesson number 2 includes the 3 modules, that's why it's not even with the lessons number, but this is lesson number 4. And on the exercise is lesson 1.5. Okay, so to recap, in the very first lesson we listened about the variables. In the lesson number 2 we talk about a operator's precedence, so which goes first, and we exercise and we had a look on the different examples. On the lesson number 3 we learn about modulus operator. So to recap, modulus is what's left after division. And now in this lesson we have a look on the concatenation operator. Alright, so let's have a look on the task. And by the way, you can open your IDE and you can do that along with me, or you can practice after the lesson, after you watch the video. It's up to you, but just remember, there is always homework. You can practice on the homework as well, and we will go through the homework in the next few videos once we go through all the lessons. Okay, so have a look. Before we go ahead, you have to leave a like under that video, so do it now please. I will wait. Yeah, okay, now we can do it. As you know from the first lesson, you cannot add integer or float to string. But what will happen if you want to add two strings? So let's see. Let's put the variable sentence and we try to add the strings. Alright. And what do you think will happen? And we also check if the variable is really string or not. Okay, do you know what will happen? Let's have a look. We run the script. And we have angrysysops.com and the class string. So you are more than welcome to visit angrysysops.com and you can see the materials for the course as well on my blog, as well as ton of information about the virtualization. And if you have any questions or comments, please reach out to me via Twitter. It's @angrysysops. Also, leave the comment below that video. Right? Now, what if you want to have a space after angry, or you just leave the space, or you can leave a comma or whatever. And let's try to run this again, and you can see it works. Okay, let's have a look what next. Now, string repetition operator. Okay, so use star to repeat the string in hello 3 times to return a new string value yo yo yo. Alright. So, what do you think we need to do now? So again, from the previous lesson, you know that the star means multiply, and as you know, we cannot do multiply the string and integer or float. But what will happen if we try multiply string, just a string? So let's see. Okay. Multiply by 3. And let's print that value. Let's get rid of this one so we have a clear view. I have a yo, yo, yo. So yes, that multiplied, that worked. So we saw that we can add strings and we can multiply strings. Can we do something like this? Like you can see this a plus b plus c, let's say minus d. What do you think? Can we do it? No, we cannot. It makes no sense. So let's have a look. As you can see, we got an error message. So we cannot do the minus. Also, we cannot do this. Because that makes no sense. Why would you do this on the string? But just to show you, we got the error message as well. And that will be it for this lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Leave the comments down below if you have some. Or the best and the quickest way to reach me is over the Twitter. It's @AngrySysops. So follow me on Twitter. And on the next lesson, we will be talking about the length of the sentence, and it could be very interesting. So hit also bell notification icon so you don't miss that lesson. Thanks, see ya.